Professor Zahid Mahmood is the top laparoscopic and general surgeon in Hameed Latif Hospital Garden Town, Lahore. He holds a professorship in general surgery at Lahore Medical and Dental College, Lahore, and serves as a visiting surgeon at Gurki Teaching Hospital, Lahore. He addresses various general surgical issues at these locations. To schedule an appointment, contact him at 0304130159.
Appendicitis is inflammation of the appendix, a small organ located in the lower right abdomen. It often presents with severe abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. Prompt surgical removal of the appendix is necessary to prevent complications such as rupture and peritonitis. A breast lump is a localized swelling or mass in the breast tissue. While many lumps are benign, some may be cancerous. Early detection through breast self-exams, mammograms, and clinical examinations is crucial for timely treatment and improved outcomes. Gallstones are hardened deposits that form in the gallbladder. They can cause abdominal pain, nausea, and jaundice. Surgical removal of the gallbladder, known as cholecystectomy, is typically recommended for symptomatic gallstones. Laparoscopic cholecystectomy is standard for treatment. Gallstones are hardened deposits that form in the gallbladder. They can cause abdominal pain, nausea, and jaundice. Surgical removal of the gallbladder, known as cholecystectomy, is typically recommended for symptomatic gallstones. Laparoscopic cholecystectomy is standard for treatment. Gallstones are hardened deposits that form in the gallbladder. They can cause abdominal pain. Gastric ulcers are open sores that develop on the lining of the stomach. They can cause abdominal pain, bloating, and nausea. Treatment typically involves medications to reduce stomach acid production and promote healing, but surgery may be required for complications such as perforation or bleeding. GERD is a chronic condition characterized by frequent acid reflux, causing heartburn and regurgitation. Lifestyle modifications, medication therapy, and in some cases, surgical intervention can help manage symptoms and prevent complications such as esophageal damage. A hernia occurs when an organ protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal wall. Common types include inguinal hernias, in the groin area, and umbilical hernias, around the belly button. Surgical repair is often necessary to prevent complications such as incarceration and strangulation.
Hemorrhoids are swollen and inflamed veins in the rectum and anus, causing discomfort, itching, and bleeding. Conservative measures such as dietary changes and topical treatments are often effective, but surgical options may be necessary for severe cases.
Thyroid nodules are abnormal growths or lumps that develop within the thyroid gland. While most nodules are benign, some may be cancerous. Diagnostic tests such as ultrasound and fine needle aspiration biopsy are used to evaluate nodules and determine appropriate management, which may include surgery for larger or suspicious nodules. Varicose veins are enlarged, twisted veins that commonly occur in the legs. They may cause pain, swelling, and skin changes. Treatment options include lifestyle modifications, compression therapy, and minimally invasive procedures to improve circulation and alleviate symptoms.
Visit Hameed Latif Hospital in Garden Town, Lahore, or Gurki